Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate iCloud backup on your iOS 26 device. To do it, go to the settings. Now, in the settings, in the main page of settings, go to your account name at the very top. Now, go to iCloud. Now go to iCloud backup and make sure it's on. When it's on, it'll back up your iPhone's data so you can restore it later. For example, if you change a phone to a new one, or something happens to your phone and you need to erase it, or if something happens and you get a new one, so you just don't lose the data, right? And I think that's pretty useful, although it may use some of your iCloud storage, maybe quite a lot even. So if it does, then I'll still recommend having that left enabled, but there's a chance you may need to upgrade your iCloud storage, but it's also up to you. If you don't feel like paying for it, then don't. And I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.